The next chapter is third chapter, data handling. Topics to be covered: what is statistics? The second one is mean, median and mode. The next one is bar graphs, and the last one is probability. The first section is what is statistics? You know that statistics is a science that deals with the representation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. You have also learned that numerical data can be pictorial representation as pictographs and bar graphs. Statistical data collected could therefore be used. The first one is to test a hypothesis. A hypothesis is the statement that we presume will be correct. However, it can be proved right or wrong only after the experiment is conducted. The next one is to use it for further analysis. The last one is to use it for taking action on the results found. The next section 3.2, mean, median and mode. In any statistical analysis, the first kind of computation that one deals with is the average. There are three different types of average. The one is mean, median and mode. The first one is mean. Mean, as we use it in statistics, is sometimes called the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean, a set of values is the sum of the values divided by total number of values. For example, the set of data is 5, 3, 4, 2, 1. Find the arithmetic mean. That's the short form is AM, arithmetic mean. The formula is sum of all the values. Sum of all the values. First, arrange the values in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to largest. The first value is here 1, second value 2, third value 3, 4, 5. This is the ascending order, arrangement of ascending order. Now you can add this values 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided total number of values. Here how many number of values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Overall the total number of values is 5. Now you can add the numerator values 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Overall the value is 15. The denominator is 5. Now you can simplify this 3. Arithmetic mean is 3. One is median. Median is the middle value in a list when the entries in the list are sorted in increasing or decreasing order. The first one is the list has an odd number of entries. The median is the middle entry in the list. For example, here the set of data is 5, 3, 4, 2, 1. First, arrange in ascending order. Smallest to largest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now check how many values are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 values. 5 is an odd number. So you can easily find the median because the list has an odd number of entries. The median is the middle entry here to here to the middle value 3. The median is equal to 3. This median, the second one is the list has an even number of entries. The median is the sum of the two middle numbers divided by 2. For example, the set of data 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6. First, arrange in ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the even number of entries. So you can add the middle two values. Here the middle two value is 3 and 4. Now you can add 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Middle 2 value, add the middle 2 value and divided by 2. 7 by 2 is 3.5. The median is equal to 3.5. Next one is mode. Mode is a value which occurs most frequently in a collection of data. If there are several modes for a data, it is called multimodal data. For example, the set of data is 1, 3, 6, 6, 7, 5. Mode is find occurs most frequently in a collection of data. Here 1 is 1 times. How many times it occurs? 1 is 1 times, 3 is 1 times, 6 is 2 times, 7 is 1 times, 5 is 1 times. Here 1, 3, 7 and 5 occurs 1 times, 6 is occurs 2 times. So mode is equal to 6. 6 is the mode value. Next example, the set of data is 1, 3, 6, 6, 7, 5, 7. First, how many times occurs the values? 1, 1 times, 3, 1 times, 6, 1, 2, 6, 2 times, 7, also 2 times, 5, 1 times. 1, 3, 5 are occurs in 1 times, but 6 and 7 are occurs 2 times. So, mode is both 6 and 7. Next, exercise 3.1. The first question, find the mean of the following. Given data is 20, 50, 20, 10, 50. Write down the solution. Find the mean is equal to sum of the values divided by the total number of values. Now, first arrange in ascending order. 10, 20, 20, 50, 50. Now you can add 10 plus 20 plus 20 plus 50 plus 50 by total number of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 values is equal to add 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 20, 50, 50 plus 50, 100, 100 plus 50, 150 by 5 is equal to this 3 times 30 times. Mean is equal to 30. Exercise 3.1. 4 marks on first question. Find the mean of the following. The first one is 450, 650, 600, 500, 550. The second question 88, 56, 47, 67, 47. Third one 48.0, 45.5, 25.5, 26, 32, 33.5. Exercise 3.1. Second question. Find the median of the following. The question is 16, 7, 7, 15, 5. Solution. First write down ascending order. 5, 7, 7, 15, 16. Here first count the number of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the odd number, so the middle value is the median. Median is middle value. The middle value is 7. 7 is the median. Homework sum. Second question. Find the median of the following. The first data is 12, 3. Homework sum. Second question. Find the median of the following. The first one 12, 5, 13, 2, 8. Second question 20, 50, 20, 10, 50, 40, 50. Third 95, 91, 81, 92, 81. Third question, find the mode of the following. The question is 3, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 1. Solution. First 3, how many times in this data? 1, 2. 2 times. 5, 1, 2, 2 times. 4, 1, 2, 2 times. Next 1 times. Mode means finding occurs most frequently values. Here most frequently values are 3, 5, 4 or occurs 2 times. So mode is 3, 5 and 4. Homework sum. Third question, find the mode of the following. First one is 23, 53, 2, 23, 67, 43, 66, 4. Second question, 6, 12, 6, 18, 12, 24, 12. Third, 20, 50, 20, 50, 17, 15, 25, 50, 25, 15. Question number 4, 5, 6, 7 also homework sums.